Today's journey takes us camping at Big Mike's in Homerville, Georgia. This is our second time camping here, both times in the spring. Big Mike's is a short drive down a dirt road and easy to spot. Once you get there, you'll need to undo the gate so you can pull in. In the spring, the field here tends to get flooded, and getting through the entrance can be a bit gnarly with the giant puddle. There are some bags of concrete in some places to try to help from sinking, but it can be hard to know where they are, and you might not line up with them anyway. Our hitch actually hit a rock when we were pulling in here. Once you get in comes the fun of driving through the field to try and find a dry spot. You might want to have 4x4 if you come here in the spring, just in case. Big Mike's offers sites with electricity on the right and boondocking on the left. There is also water available. If you choose to boondock, you can spend 2 nights for free and then it's $10 per night after. What makes this place fun is on the other side of the camping area are farm animals: goats, horses, donkeys.
You guys can take care of it, we've got a problem.
We do have a problem. This guy wanted like a carrot, honey. And then the guy in the back. This guy, there you go.
Each morning and early afternoon, the gate between the camping area is opened and they can wander over right to your camper. And if you feed them, they know to come back and even hang out and wait for you to come outside.
Good morning. How are you? No carrots. Good morning.
You'd rather have that hand?
In case you think camping in a pasture sounds gross, here they do a good job of keeping it clean. You do not see manure lying around, and it doesn't smell like a farm either. It's actually pretty nice considering there are so many farm animals wandering around.
Except for the hand plow.
Here they come.
Hurry, buddy.
9. I count 9.
There isn't a ton of traffic on this road, and so it's a great place to get some steps or to ride your bike. It is close to a highway, so you do get some road noise. Camping with the animals here is what makes this place special for us. It's fun and well worth the price of a bag of carrots. It's pretty cheap entertainment, and we get a kick of having them shake us down for food. About 45 minutes from Big Mike's is the Okefenokee National Wildlife Refuge and Stephen C. Foster State Park. Together, these parks protect over several 100,000 acres of forest, swamp, and river systems. There are a few different entrances to this area, and we've done a variety of hiking and canoeing here, but today we are going to rent a motorized boat and take it out on Billy's Lake.
Here's our little boat for today. We get boat E. So Carl's gonna get us some life jackets. And some paddles just in case.
Adult universals.
They'll give you a paper map with instructions on how to start the boat. They will also help you if you want, and then you are on your way. Access to Billy's Lake is down a really beautiful, narrow channel. Here you are very close to the trees, and there's lots of wildlife like turtles, birds, and even alligators. Once you get to the lake, there is a directional sign for right or left. We first chose to go to the left and turn around when it was obvious you couldn't proceed anymore. Being out here on the water is beyond super cool. Other than the loud buzzing from our motor, there was only one other boat out here fishing, and it was super peaceful and quiet. The water was so still and it reflected the scenery so perfectly. To say there are alligators here almost feels like an understatement. There are nearly alligators everywhere, oftentimes in small groups of 3 or 4. We saw most of them basking out in the sun and even balancing on logs, which was pretty cool to see.
Wow. Hi, Mom.
They don't care for the boats much. Some of them will move and disappear into the black water, never to be seen again. If you think about it too much, you will definitely freak yourself out, but we were never bothered by any of them.
He's gonna move. Sorry. Where did he go? Where did he go?
In the water somewhere.
Okay.
Gator City over here, man.
Yeah.
At least 4.
Hi, buddy. You must be a good little gator.
We spent 2 hours out on the water, and I would have gladly spent more. I'm not sure if they allow food out here, but I think this would make a great spot just to idle the boat and have a picnic.